and tire pop.
Keep an eye here to make sure this doesn't make it violent.
And Christina's trying to learn how to change a tire
While Jared's actually changing the
but Jared's the one doing the work. So.
I could take out the lug nuts.
Wait, I thought you said, yeah, you can do that. You can probably do that right now, actually.
Look, I'm helping.
Come on, Christina! Come on, Christina!
Nope.
Are you doing it right?
It's lefty loosey.
Yes. Come on, Gabe.
Okay, maybe I
You got it!
Now I can do it. Oh my god, I need to Snapchat this. This is too great.
Meanwhile, the real competitors.
Are we there yet?
We're close. I feel it. Because there's no more mountain left to go up.
I don't know if that's a good thing or not.
I know. I mean, we wanted to hike, but not in our cars.
Oh my god.
Let's just park here. Pull over and park here and start hiking.
It's okay, it's okay.
We should have asked them, do we drive? Why didn't we ask them? What did they say? They said we're going back to get a
Oh, yes! Yes! Shit! Wait, let me read.
Yeah, Brandy Creek said to the right.
To the right.
Yeah.
Wait, what did the map? What did the Christina map? What did the Google maps?
Stop.
Do you need 4-wheel drive?
No, you just need wheels.
Wait, it says keep left.
All right.
It said Brandy Creek though, to the right.
At the sheep camp Shasta Valley Junction, keep to the left for another 0.5 miles until you reach an area where the main road is blocked by boulders.
All right, we gotta keep going. I'm sorry. We gotta keep going.
We made it! We have.
Woo!
How you feel?
Good thing we didn't panic. Right?
Jasmine, 10
Good thing
years
we
later.
didn't We made it! Hike over!
Yay! All right, let's go back. Let's walk
We're
back
done.
down.
Time to eat.
No cameras. Of our tour guides. We have things to discuss.
But you're the stars! Oh my
Goodbye.
god!
Goodbye.
So we just started,
Chips.
and Christina did it again.
They're already fighting.
Yeah, exactly.
Christina brought a bag, but she put everything in Jared's bag.
I nominate Tina to leave the...
I'm tired already. He's the one that said it first.
How you doing?
I'm dead.
We literally just started. The parking lot is right there.
I'm tired.
Now do the last 16 counts.
Christina's hydro flask fell from like all the way upstream, and then they got it like on the rocks.
Thanks, Gabe and Jared.
It's
It's actually not even that bad.
Right here.
Oh no, that's been there.
Oh, really?
Well, there's a couple extra.
How did it fall?
What about the lid?
How did it fall?
It was on the side.
I can always buy a new lid.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think it was like slipping out and then I
Hey,
jumped.
now we know it's very durable.
I know, right?
All right, let's put it in the action.
Thank
the
you.
box.
See.
We made it. We could sign.
Oh god.
You are so dirty, Chewy.
Oh my
Chewy
god.
tingled my foot.
His foot's tangled.
Oh, never mind. Just kidding.
Oh jeez.
Sorry. How did you get that?
I got this closing.
Great. What if you snap my finger off?
It didn't happen.
Did you die?
Did y'all?
Yeah, she's one of the dogs.
Alright, so this is the bonus deleted scene. We're taking Chewy out on a walk in the parking lot of McDonald's. We're going on a hike. While Christina and Elena are inside eating at McDonald's. They left us for fools.
Yeah. They couldn't even come outside. They have like courtesy.
Look at them, just eating inside. Elena's asking, what are they doing? Well, you know what? We can do whatever we want. Look at all this space. This is hiking in Williams. So beautiful.
Over here you'll see cement.
Ooh, you don't see that on our nature hikes.
Yeah. Here's a new thing. Over here you'll have what I call a truck.
A truck.
Yes,
Ooh.
a truck.
It's pretty similar to what we have here in America, but it's called a truck.
Exactly. Function's about the same. They just say it differently. Over here in this country.
Alright, so this is Williams. We'll catch y'all later at Brandy Creek sometime. Yeah.
I'm Jared.
I'm Gabe, and this is Chewy.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.